Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Om Labs. So today we are demonstrating the laboratory flocculator jar test apparatus. This apparatus is used in water treatment plants and laboratories to determine the optimum amount of coagulant required to remove impurities from water. It can also be used in microbiology test labs. This is an analog type apparatus. The AC mains power supply is connected from the back side of the apparatus. Get the beaker with sample and also adjust the height of spindle with the help of given screw over there. Switch on the mains with the help of that switch. On the front panel, a speed regulator is provided to control the stirring speed and a timer is provided to set the mixing time. We can increase or decrease the speed of spindle with the help of given speed rotator as per our requirement. It simulates full-scale coagulation, flocculation and sedimentation processes by stirring multiple samples at controlled speed. Regarding any query about this apparatus, do contact us at the given email ID. Also visit our website www.scientificcart.com. Thank you for watching this video.